IONOS is a Greek startup specialized in Agri-Drones spraying operations. Our team, the last 3 years, have developed two types of spraying operations. The one is foliage covering for the trees, and the other is the spot spraying method. This green jet method could give us, combined with a traditional covering method, enough protection treatment for the trees. We are developing a lot of projects with the scientific community in Europe, and we are developing parts of the drones according to the needs of each crop. Sensors, spreaders, and using photonics sensors and technology could make aerial spraying operations more safer and more efficient.
European Photonics Innovation Program is the catalyst to bring together two highly expert institutions, those of Forth and Southampton Optoelectronic Research Center, into the service of IONOS for developing new technologies tailored to the needs of the company. The advantage of this new optical fiber sensing technology compared to the previous technologies used for drift monitoring is that these optical fiber sensors can provide more sensitive and more reliable operation in monitoring the droplets of the spraying process.
The first results was very promising, and now we could move to the second phase, having more resources. So this solution that we have with this spot spraying system could give us a lot of positive impact of less use of natural resources, protect biodiversity and natural environment, and of course give us less cost and bigger production.